Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app. QrCode Generator Action Automation for Workflow. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Then click on Install to choose the account where you want to install it. Then you click on Continue and you click on Allow and Install. A page is going to pop up where you copy the custom menu link, head back to your account, and navigate to Settings, search for the custom menu links, and you click on Create. You give an icon, you give it a title, then you paste the link here, give a sidebar preference, and choose an account. Then you choose a role-based visibility and click on Save. Once you're done creating the custom menu link, switch over to the account and click on the custom menu link itself. Then the first interface of the app is going to pop up where you will search for the app and connect it. The app has been connected. If the app hasn't been connected, click on Manage and you'll have the second interface of the app with all the necessary features such as documentation. You'll find everything you need to get started with this particular app. We have the tutorial, the Smart Queue video that is going to walk you through and on how to set up and use this particular app. We have the setup feature, and at the level of the setup feature, we're going to help you on how to configure and connect this app. You just need to click on the Start Setup, insert your professional email, and click on Complete Setup. Your app will be successfully connected and set up. We have the Support Center, where you'll be able to get help whenever you need it from our support team through call or with a ticket. We have the changelog feature, where you will track all the new updates and changes of this specific app. And to receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, you insert a professional email and you click on subscribe, and you'll be good to go. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.